Video number 8. How to add keywords to Google My Business profile. If you have a business that relies on local customers, then a Google My Business listing, now called Business Profile, is a must-have digital marketing strategy for growth. But if you're new to search engine optimization (SEO) or not getting found as much as you'd like for local keywords, then this video tutorial is for you. In this video, you'll discover the top tips for how to add keywords to Google My Business, also known as a GMB listing. 1. Add keywords to your Google My Business description. The first step for how to add keywords to Google My Business is inside your business description. This is the easiest way to improve relevance for your business profile, which is a top-ranking factor in Google's algorithm for GMB listings. 2. Put keywords in your Google Business Profile posts. The next step for how to set keywords in Google My Business is to add them to the business posts on your business profile. You can connect with existing and potential customers through your business profile on Google Search and Maps through posts, and posts can include text, photos, or videos to promote business profiles. Source: Google. There are 3 main types of posts you can create: offers, what's new, events. Each time you create a new post, make sure to add your keywords to the content. That way you can keep your business profile optimized for the phrases and terms that matter most for attracting the right customers for your business. This is also a free way to gain more organic traffic to your website without having to spend money on Google AdWords. What's also good about these articles is that you can change keywords on Google Business posts whenever you see fit to improve your results. 3. Get customers to put keywords in your reviews. A powerful yet highly underused method for how to add keywords in Google My Business is to ask your customers to use them in their Google reviews, i.e. testimonials. This is a great way to increase the keyword density in a natural way, too. You can also add keywords in your replies to GMB listing reviews. Just don't go overboard by including the same keywords in every review response. Otherwise, you could over-optimize the review section and trigger a closer look at your business profile by the Google My Business web spam team. 4. Add keywords in your business Q&A section. Another tactic for adding keywords to your business profile listing is to use them in your business Q&A section. When a customer asks a question on your page, you can insert keywords into your answers. 5. Don't add keywords to your Google business name. The final step you need to consider when optimizing your Google My Business listing for keywords is to never set keywords in a Google My Business business name, i.e. business title. Local search marketing experts caution against the practice of keyword stuffing in your business name because it can get your listing penalized or suspended. Keyword stuffing refers to adding descriptors to your business name on Google My Business that are not part of the legal name for the business. Google My Business guidelines clearly states, including unnecessary information in your business name is not permitted and could result in your listing being suspended. Therefore, your Google business name must remain consistent with the real-world branding. Only include keywords in the business title when they're a part of the real name for the business. Don't take the risk by stuffing keywords into the business name when it's not authentic to the legal entity name. How to change keywords on Google Business. As with any search engine optimization strategy, you'll want to track, measure, and monitor your results with the keywords you're using on your Google My Business page. All you must do is update the following areas of your business profile with the new keywords. Business description. Swap out old keyword with new keywords. Profile post. Use the new keywords in the new posts and consider deleting old posts. Q&A section answers. Edit your answers to include new keywords and use them in new answers. Finding the right keywords for your Google My Business listing. The most basic method for SEO is to include the following type of keyword strings throughout your listing so you can show up for more organic searches and on Google Maps. You can also optimize for the type of service or business you operate like this. it's best to rotate through the various keyword strings and types that relate to your business so you're not using the same phrases repeatedly. This SEO strategy will help you optimize for a wider range of keywords to attract more customers. As you discovered, the best method for how to set keywords in Google My Business listings is to optimize the following locations on your profile: description, posts, customer reviews, and Q&A section. You can also change keywords on Google Business at any time to improve your results. So refining your keywords, adding new phrases, and change old terms is a good way to increase the visibility for your business in the Google search engine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.